Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how we'll apply loan using Seabank app via Shopee platform. This tutorial is straight to the point, so just follow everything I say. Let's begin now. Step 1. Open Shopee app. Log in first to your account. Step 2. Go to Me. That's the bottom right corner tab. Step 3. Tap Seabank Loan. Under My Services, scroll to find it. Step 4. Link your account. Connect Seabank with your Shopee account. Step 5. Fill your details. Name, address, birthday, ID number, and more. Step 6. Upload valid ID. Use UMID, driver's license, or passport. Step 7. Take a selfie. Make sure it's clear and well lit. Step 8. View loan offer. Check how much you can borrow. Step 9. Tap Apply Now. Only if you're ready to proceed. Step 10. Wait for review. It usually takes a few minutes. Step 11. Loan gets approved. Money is transferred to your Seabank account. Step 12. Withdraw to Gcash, or use funds directly from Seabank. Step 13. Pay on time. Avoid penalties and future borrowing issues. Step 14. Track loan status. Use the Shopee or Seabank app. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. This is Gel Tolentino. Subscribe right here and feel free to check out my other channels too. Got a tutorial you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments. See you on the next one.